What up, everybody? It's Diceros. I'm back with some more Devil May Cry. So last episode I was being a complete noob. I was mentioning it's called Judge of Death. Open the door of the cathedral. Power up. What is that? You can acquire health, magic, and other enhancement items. Alright, let's check it out. Devil's Star? What is that? Wait, I'm recording. Alright, yeah, I'm recording. And the reason why I always say I'm on recording is because with the PS2 emulator. Oh, hold up. Give me a second. Let me put this full screen. Alright, so yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah. So the reason why I always ask that is because with the PS2 emulator, it doesn't tell me if I'm recording or not. So yeah. Okay, so Devil Star crystal with magical powers. It will recover 5 devil tree gauges. Okay, I don't know what that is. Vital Star. Rare stone that revives energy. Holy water. What's blue orb? I think that's health. Purple orb. Okay, I guess we'll figure that all out later. Alright, so let's just start the mission. It was easy so far, so I'm not really worried about powering up right now. Let's just start the mission. Oh crap. If only I knew how to dodge. Oh, you could just jump over them. Oh crap, I'm getting wrecked. Oh! Dante is the man. Jump over all these fools. Oh my god, I'm getting wrecked, dude. Alright, let me just chill back here and spam some of this. I can't even see them. So, it's kind of cheap. It's very cheap, actually. I don't even care. Alright. That was very cheap. Okay, I came from here, right? This game is actually very scary. I mean, not scary, intense. Oh, no, no. What's going on? What just happened? Alright. Get away from these hoes. Oh my god. Alright. So, oh my god, dude. I'm getting wrecked. Maybe I should have powered up. I don't know if there's a dodge ability. I don't think there is. Okay, so let me just, wow, okay. Okay, is he dead? There's more? Okay. Oh my god, dude, how do... Oh, I can do it mid-air too? Okay. Are there different abilities? Oh, dodge that. Do they keep spawning? Cause like... Just die, please. I'm about to die. Not me, the enemies. Do they keep spawning? Why do they keep spawning? Come on, spam. I'm spamming square right now. Like, it's extremely cheap. Come on, faster, faster, faster. Do I get like a shotgun later? Alright. Is that it? Please be it. Like, okay, should I explore a little bit? I need some health, man. I'm about to die right now. Okay, so I came from here. No, that's not a door. What am I doing? What's wrong with you? Oh crap! This is where I came from. Okay. Oh my god, they're back. Is there a door here? Can I go to here? Please give me some help, man. I need some help. Alright, I see the Adobe Acrobat. Let me just get rid of that. Okay. What's this? You can acquire health, magic, and other enhancement items. Oh, it's just a power-up thing. Okay. What's over here? There are reports of incidents that occurred in the feudatory. Most of the incidents that occurred at night are atrocious and dismal, as if the night had turned the people mad. I can't read that slow. I know people usually can't read fast, but I can't read slow like that. Okay, so this room has nothing of value to me besides this power-up thing. This door is locked, but it looks like a rusty key may help. Okay, that doesn't help right now. That's all I gotta say. There's a painting of a middle-aged man. Okay, that doesn't really provide me with anything. Can I go through here? Okay. Of course I can. I'm freaking Dante. Son of Sparta. Okay. Is there anything up here? I see something up there. Press X. A grim reaper like devil is depicted. A key is embedded. Should I take it? Yeah, take it. There's a rusty key. Alright, making some progress, even though I'm very slow. Press X. I can see a room on the other side. There must be another way to get there. Okay, let's keep looking. Just press X on everything. Where did I come from? I came from here. Okay. Go up the stairs. Okay, let's look around a little bit more. Nothing? Oh, what was that? Oh, shotgun. Okay, sweet. Let me equip that. That's dope. Yeah, equip that. Oh! Oh, that's tough. There are books relating to black magic and rituals from all parts of the world. Whatever. Okay, he just doesn't care. Look at my health though. Like, I have no health whatsoever. Okay, is that all I got from here? Can I get out? Wait, I'm scratching my back. Okay. I have to rush the key, but let's keep looking around. What's this? There's a sculpture of a female in agony with a sword pierced through her chest. Wait, I can hear a voice. I am Alastor. The weak shall give their heart and swear their eternal loyalty to me. Let me have the sword though. Oh, what? I said I died. I have no health. He just gets stabbed with everything, like.
Here.
He's getting wrecked. Oh, he's dead. Oh, he's done. Yo, is he okay? Are you alright, bro? Alright. Oh, he's chilling. Oh, this is epic, dude. I have the power. Dope. Getting new weapons left and right. Nice. Alastor gives the possessor lightning speed and aerial capabilities. Did I equip it? Carving. Alright. Judge of Death. It looks like the judge should be holding something. This dick? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's try okay, wait. Alright, what's that on top of my thing? I mean, under my health. If I die now. Yeah, okay. Thanks for that. Did I go through here? Okay. I used the rusty key. Dude, I have no health though. Like, what am I? Look, there's a guy right there. Oh, whoops. Alright, well. Oh, okay. I'm trying my shotgun. Oh! The shotgun wrecks, dude. Oh, the shotgun wrecks. Yo! The shotgun wrecks. Oh my god, the shotgun wrecks. missed. Oh, yo, I'm going to town on these fools. Alright. That's it. I'm like so much more confident now. Oh, dope. Yo, this is so G. I forgot about my roll too. Alright, got some health. Getting my health back. Oh, he blocked. That's dope. Alright, I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna launch him into the air. Oh. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Oh my god. Alright, stop being a noob. Stop getting hit. Oh, just jumped off his head. Get out of my face. 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 Life is over, bro. I'm sorry to say. Get out of my face with that. I don't need this bull, man. Get out of my face, man. Alright, let me get these orbs. I'm gonna kill this fool. Get out of my face. Oh, I'm slowly walking to him and shooting him at the same time. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Wrecked him, dude. I wrecked him. Alright, let's check this out. It's a statue of an angel, the guardian of a god. Of a god. Okay, what's this? Did I come from here? I think I did. I don't wanna like reset the spawns, cause then I'm gonna like fight the enemies all over again, and that's the ill dub. Okay, what's this right here? It's an engraving of a lion. There's something written. Only those who the lion has accepted can set me free. You better accept me, fool. What you talking about? Alright, what's over here? It's a statue of... Okay. Do they all say the same thing? There we go. I'm nice with that jump, though. My son Dante, you peeped? Okay. Let me check this out first before I go there. Oh, crap. There's an immense power that will not allow one to get any closer. Before I can confront the lion, I'll need a sign. Alright, let's go up here. What? What just happened? Oh, crap. You're a little late to the party. Stay down. Stay down! Stay down! What you think you're doing, fool? Can't sneak up on me. Alright, let's go in here. Please, no more enemies, like... Please! Oh my god. Messing around too much. Stay down. 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 Oh, okay, I killed them all. Alright, what's this? There's something engraved beneath the opening. I hate how slow it goes. This is where the guiding souls gather. Can I change the speed of that? Let me see real quick. No, I can't. Okay, I don't think I can. No, I can't. Alright, whatever. I guess we're gonna have to deal with that all game. Whatever. Okay, what's this? There's something written. A god stands before thee. To open the path, use thy strength to drive it back. Pretty straightforward. Okay, oh, I won't move anymore. Okay. Man, I don't want to go down there. Oh, whatever. Staff of Judgment, a staff that shines with mysterious light. Is that a weapon? Please, no puzzles. That's just a revolving door. Alright, what is that? I can't do anything with it. Oh, what is this? Can I equip that? Oh, memento of Dante's mother. In the back it is an engraving, Virgil and Dante. Is that his brother? Will you use it? What does it do? Oh, it just healed me up. Okay, whatever. Don't really care about that. I probably will need it. I probably shouldn't have used it. Alright, whatever. Oh, is this the other side of that room? I believe it is. Maybe I gotta go talk to a lion now? Oh, I'm locked in here. Alright. Alright, blue beef. Was this the boss? I believe it is. Don't laugh at me. It's a good thing I healed up then. I wish I hadn't wasted it though. Alright, let's do this. Ain't nobody got. Oh wait, I gotta scratch my head. Ah, oh, okay. Let's go. Get away from me. I like how shotguns affect them. Like that's how gangster Dante is. Oh, that's one down. Where'd they go? They're inside the freaking walls. Wall hacks, man. You know what, I'm just gonna shotgun rain. Get out of my face with that. It's cool. That was so cheap. The shotgun is so cheap. I don't care. Yeah, give me that. Okay. Oh, what's up there? There's a weird light emanating. That's just a freaking lamp. Okay. Oh, what? That's free orbs though. That's nasty, but I mean, I don't really care. And I'm back. Such a noob. Oh my god, you're supposed to use the staff over here. Oh my god. Judgment, the judge of death. Should be holding something. Shall I use the staff of judgment? Yes. I'm such an idiot, man. Oh my god. Mission over. Clear time 20 minutes. Wow. Okay. Whoa. I got a ranking of D. Yeah, I swear I'm such an idiot. Hopefully next episode I can get through all this quicker. Cause I'm sorry for being a noob. Like I can't help it, you know. Okay, so let me save and then I'm in the episode here. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next Devil May Cry episode. Hopefully it'll go better. So peace out, yo. Haha. Yeah. Okay.